Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show 2 ways to cancel a sent follow request on Instagram. The first way is using the app, so let's follow the steps. Launch the Instagram app on your smartphone. Now, log into your account. If you have logged in, then skip this step. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap the Hamburger menu beside the plus icon. Now, tap the Your Activity option. After that, scroll down and select Download Your Information at the bottom. Tap on it. You can request a copy of your information at any time. So, tap the Request a Download button. It will ask you to select accounts and profiles. Choose yours. And tap the Next button. Select information as a complete copy. Then tap the Submit Request button. You can see your pending download. You will receive the download file, and it may take up to 30 days to collect data and send it to you. Now, I will show how to cancel the sent follow request. When you receive the download file in your mail inbox within the duration, open the mailbox and click on the Download Information button. Then, enter your login details and click Download Information. It will show a pop-up to confirm. Select the Allow option. Check the Downloads folder. Open the downloaded files, select Followers and Following file. Then open the Pending Follow Requests file with Safari browser. It shows the pending follow requests on your computer screen. Click on them one by one. It will redirect you to the user profile to whom you sent the following request. Click the Requested button, and it will show a pop-up. Select and click the Unfollow option. That's it. Repeat the same step to cancel other pending requests. Now, the second way is using the web browser. Open any browser on your PC and log into the Instagram website. Now, click on the Hamburger menu at the bottom left corner. Now, choose the Your Activity option. On your activity page, click Download Your Information. It will ask you to enter your email ID and then password. After entering your email and password, click the Request Download button. You will see the Download Requested message on your PC screen. It may take up to 14 days to collect information and send email. Open and check your mailbox to see whether you received the download file. Now, follow the same procedure as we discussed in this video's first part to cancel the sent follow request. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks videos.